Yo guys, today I'm gonna draw a catnap in 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. Now, let's go! By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. See you next. No. Let's start.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble.
And here, guys, we have the final result. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video, and don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel and comment below the next for this challenge. And don't forget, God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.
Find your identity, it's mind over everything.